Good afternoon, class. Here I have one of my students actually from one of the CIS 112 section class. So she is going to help me demonstrate how to get on MyITLab and how to register on MyITLab. So to do so, the first thing that we're going to do, she's allowing me to go through her site. I'm grateful, thank you. So we're going to click on the Pearson. And once we get to the Pearson, we're going to go ahead and open MyLab and mastering. Okay, as soon as we come in here, you see that there is an I accept. This is just, like any I accept. We're going to go ahead and click accept all the agreements. And it says, do you have a Pearson account? Now, I don't think that she has ever had a Pearson account. So we're going to go create. And here she's going to put her information, and I'm going to pause in here. So I paused for a second, and this is creating an account. Once you create an account, you're going to go ahead and accept the license agreement and create account. Okay, so here I'm going to say not now. I don't want to remember any of those. Now right here you see that it allows you the option of getting the book. It says use a credit card or PayPal, and here it says you can buy MyITLab e-text, for Office 2016. This gives you the digital copy of the book and the access code. The access code is a code that will allow you to get to the assignments and everything that you have to do for this course. Now in here, it gives you access code only, just the access code without the ebook. So if you want to purchase the access code, which is just $89.95, and buy a hard copy book, say on Amazon, which may be a lot cheaper, you can do that too. Right now for this student, I don't know, do you want to choose this? Then we have to do a credit card. Or if you don't want to do that, then we can stop here and then record after. You have two options. You can get the access code and since
but you said you were going to
right, yeah. So why don't we just get the technology IT lab for Office 16?
If you don't mind, if you're sure, because I could, if you like, I can buy that.
Yeah, let's do this. Do you have something that we can buy it, a PayPal or something? Because you have to pay for it. Okay, so we're going to choose, because she has already bought the textbook, so we're going to go through here. And the $89.95 is going to give her this information. So what we're going to do, I'm going to pause in here. So for this particular case, the student already had purchased the textbook online, and she chose just to get the access to MyITLab. Now here is what MyITLab looks like. You see that there's chapters 1 through all the way through 13, and the first option is ebook, but she didn't want access to digital copy, so she wants a hard copy book. Some of you guys, if you chose the other option that would actually include the ebook, then you would have access to that. So for this one, now she's registered, and all she had to do, that what you missed in between was when she was given the information to give her credit card information, put her contact information, and as soon as she input all of those in and she clicked submit, then it says go to my course site, and we came to the course site, and here is where the course is and the chapters, and there is a different YouTube video that goes over each chapter, and this is chapter 1. And I'm going to stop here. This is how you register, and this particular method shows you buying the access code online without the option of digital copy.